Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to customize templates in Canva on iPad. The Canva home screen shows you all of your designs from the past, including designs shared with you and access to the trash for deleting old designs you no longer need. Also, on the home page, you'll find all available Canva templates for creating new designs. To get started, use the template slider to scroll through the available templates until you find one that fits your design needs. Or to search for templates, use the search bar at the top of your home page. Once you locate a template you wish to use, select it to open the design screen. From here, you can get started customizing and creating. On the left side of your screen, select Templates. You'll see a menu of other design templates you can choose from to jumpstart your design. To use one of these options, drag and drop it onto your blank template. To change any of the elements in the design, select them to open the toolbar and top of your design screen. You can delete elements, change their colors, font, etc. Once you're satisfied with your design, download it or select Home in the upper left corner of your screen to navigate back to your home page. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.